This video is all about text messaging on your Apple iPhone using the newest iOS, which is 26.x as of October 2025. The interface for messaging, again, messaging is right here. It's the icon to the left of where it says Friday the 31st. It's Happy Halloween. Click on messaging. So the features are not significant, but they're worth understanding. First of all, you have the icon in the upper right, the stacked lines. You click on that one, I can view messages. I can view spam messages. Click on it again. I can view recently deleted. These are the messages that I've recently deleted. Then I click on it again. I can go to manage filtering, where I can turn on some filtering features within my iPhone for messaging. However, something else to pay attention to, if we go back to messages, is the edit button. So on the edit button, I click that. This is really pretty cool. Select messages. I can select the first message pretty easy, unselect it, select it again. This would allow me to, when I select messages, to mark them unread or to delete them. But here's a really cool little trick. I can put my finger on one message just gently and drag down, drag back up, and I can highlight a bunch of messages. Not only can I do what's on the screen, but if I bring my finger all the way to the bottom, slowly to the bottom, I can highlight and select lots of messages, if not all my messages. Then once I select all that I want to select, then I can hit unread or delete. Or I can scroll down, not scroll with my finger on the dot, but scroll my finger over on the words, and I can choose individual messages as well, or scroll down further and again, start my finger on a circle and drag down and highlight as many messages as I want. Choose all the messages I want to choose, unchoose those that I want to unchoose, and then again, I can hit unread or delete. Now, remember, this is all under the edit button, select messages, so I can then mark the ones I want to mark them unread, or delete them. Another tactic that you can use with iPhone messages that is that the swipe left and swipe right. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's use the Kevin Heath message. If I drag it to the right, that's just a little bit, there's a button. And when I click on that button, notice it marks this message as unread. If I drag to the right again, just a little bit, then I can click it again and mark that message read. Further, a single action is if I drag all the way to the right, it marks it as unread. And if I again drag it all the way to the right, it'll mark it as read. Now, let's go the other way. If I drag to the left just a little bit, it brings up these two buttons. One button is to turn on or turn off notifications. The other button is to delete the message. Now, if I drag all the way to the left, let me find one I can drag all the way to the left. Let's go down here and find one. Here's one. That's 833 number. If I drag all the way to the left, then it brings up delete. And if it's not someone I know, it'll have the option to delete and report spam. So I can just simply click delete and that message will be deleted, or deleted and report spam. So that's dragging all the way to the right, which is the same as dragging halfway and clicking delete button. Swipe left and swipe right. Really good tools built into the Apple iPhone messaging app to make it easier for you to manage your messages. Hey, I'm Teddy. My purpose is to help you overcome the risks and the fears of using technology. And I hope this quick little intro to the new iOS 26 on iPhones and messaging is helpful for you.